Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Let me just move this real quick. Alright, there we go. In the last episode, we fixed up Clank, and as it turns out, we were under attack on Planet Veldin. We managed to escape and we landed on Planet Novalis. Yeah, and apparently I thought this place looked familiar. I forgot, I'm playing what's like a reboot of the original game.
Not only could they set their new destination, each planet came annotated with fun things to do, courtesy of the Freeloader's Galactic Almanac.
Search the cage for hidden treasure. Over here, perhaps? Ooh! Definitely over here. So I'm kind of grateful that the weaponry upgrading system mostly relies on raritanium, because that makes things a little easier. Sure, raritanium's gonna be rare, of course, but I don't mind, really. It feels more satisfying to unlock a lot of things at once. Yeah, this is a cave.
What are these things? They appear to be amoeboids. According to my databanks, they were created by Drek Industries in order to assist the warbots.
God, these things are ugly. They're fugly. Although this is a very beautiful cave.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
So, it's about 12 seconds.
More bad guys. Get ready! They keep coming!
You know what? I think it's time to take out the ugly trash. Oh, he reaches for me.
All enemies clear. Well done.
I don't know if that crate's meant to be there. But whatever. Alright. Okay, nowhere else to go, really. Oh man, did I miss something? It's not complete, so I must have missed something. Ow. Sorry about that. Apparently my mic came unplugged. Oh, that's why. Alright, so there has to be something I missed. So, what could possibly be in here that I missed? It must have to do with this crate.
Very good.
Aha!
Things.
You know, Grim once said the same thing.
Set complete.
Yay! Ooh, I get rewards for it. Completing holocard sets gets you a reward admiration collected across the galaxy, and some enhancements to your equipment. But really, it's all about the collector cred. Oh! I'm liking this already. I wonder if there's a collector's set for every single planet and every weapon. It's probably one of those things where you don't really complete a set, or you don't start a set until you collect something you didn't know existed. It's like, oh, you got this weapon that adds to the set that you didn't know existed until now.
I think you're all full up.
Let's see where we go now.
Okay, what's our destination?
Skidd's agent is still lost somewhere on Aridia.
We'd better get to Kerwan and warn the Rangers. Let's see if we can help out Skidd McMarx.
Complete the game to unlock challenge mode.
We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Illyro City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Flark transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
We must assist the Galactic Rangers, activating weapons systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
First,
Ratchet, now might be a good time to test those weapons systems.
Captain, we have an unidentified ship providing assistance. Transport down!
Yeah!
Whoever you are, thank you.
Enemy down!
More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch.
so, a bit of news. So, you might be wondering about the sudden cut, and why I'm back on Planet Kerwan. Or not Kerwan, why I'm back on Novelist. Which you might not be able to tell. Basically, what happened is, I found out that Hoppage Capture crashed during a good portion of me trying to, during a good portion of me trying to go through Planet Kerwan. And I found out that a lot of my progress had not been recorded because I didn't realize it crashed because I had my headphones off. So I didn't hear my voice suddenly stop working and cut off. So I had to pretty much replay the game up to this point. So what you're gonna see, once I finish off showing what I want to show off here, is me re-entering Planet Kerwan. You know, just to reinforce the whole entering Kerwan cutscene. I actually got very upset about it last night because it was to the point where I wanted to cry. I'm not even kidding you. I got very upset because not only did it not record a lot of the portion of Planet Kerwan, but I realized my mistake when it wasn't recording a cutscene in the game, and I had to replay the entire game just to get back to that cutscene. Because I care. So, what I wanted to show off first was a couple of these weapons. Oh my god, that was a really weird gulp. Sorry about that. So, I want to show off upgrading these weapons at the Gadgetron thing, or one of them. Just in case it turns out that there's like a little special thing that it shows if I upgrade a weapon completely. Now, I'm going to be leveling up these weapons a bit more, because I had a bit of trouble in Kirwan with some of the guards and enemies. So I'm going to say this now. Throughout this entire playthrough, if there is a level up cutscene that I miss, the first time, if I'm not ready to record it, I will try to remember for next time, but I don't really think there's any special upgradable special cutscenes or whatever. But I won't know until I upgrade it to a certain point. In fact, I'll probably have to look it up and see if it turns into a better weapon at a certain level. If it doesn't, then I don't really have anything to worry about. But I got very upset last night. So, I actually had another video cut recorded where I just very angrily stated how pissed I was and what happened. I decided to swap it out for this one because it's more calm. So, anyways, let's go ahead and buy ourselves an upgrade. As you can see here, I actually had 21 Raritanium, and this is the last one for the fusion grenade at the moment we can get.
Wicked.
Yeah!
Almost too powerful.
And then here is where I upgraded the proton drum because it feels powerful. So I'm probably going to be farming for a lot of Raritanium. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's a rate of fire, I thought. Okay, so there's all sorts of different things. The weapons they don't all have the same stats. Like, Combustor has rate of fire, ammo, and bonus bolts. The fusion grenade has ammo, area of effect, and impact damage. Proton drum has holocards, which basically shakes more holocards from enemies more often. We also have area effect and duration. And then for the Pyrocider, we have Ember damage, bonus Raritanium, range, and stream width. I'm probably going to be upgrading this one majorly next, just because of the whole bonus Raritanium thing. Because that's going to be handy for upgrading these other weapons, so... Basically in this playthrough, I'm going to be cutting out a lot of farming. If I do wind up having a special cutscene that I miss, I'll try and see if I can replicate it for another weapon. If I can't, then just know there's a special cutscene that just makes the weapon more powerful. So yeah, back to farming. I really doubt this was meant to happen. Oh, well there goes one. Now what about the other? Also, notice how the, oh. I like how the water reflects the ceiling, and it looks like there's sparklies in the rocks. Okay, he's gonna die eventually. The question is this going to count considering I... Okay, sorry, I thought it... Hi! He's just not dying. He is not dying at all. By the way, the microphone... Well, I accidentally chose Aridia, so... Might as well see whatever cutscene comes up. Why is the mic so quiet? Oh, there we go.
Is that Skidd McMarx up ahead?
Oh, someone help me!
Well, I'm not done farming yet, so,
Oh!
So apparently it says, I have enough duplicates to trade for a new card. Let's start trading. To trade for a card, select the card and hit X. Good luck completing your collection. Huh. Let's complete the Velden collection.
That's a whole set.
Hey. That's a pretty good deal. If you have enough duplicates of a card, if you're lucky enough, you'll, yeah. That's incredibly reasonable, actually. So what's my reward? The rate at which holocards drop has increased. Okay, you know what? I think for this episode, we're gonna go to Aridia first. We're going to officially complete Aridia first. Because Aridia isn't really one of the bigger planets like Planet Kerwan is, so generally it should take a little bit less of time. Plus, I want to have a bigger, better planet to farm my weapons on, and I'm gonna need to complete the story on Aridia so I don't risk missing anything. So, there's that.
Wait, is that Skidd McMarx up ahead?
Oh, someone help me! Oh man, am I happy you two dudes showed. I've been out here all night.
I can't believe it, Skidd McMarx. I have seen every one of your races. You pulled off a triple Nova spin at Mach 2 at last year's Kerwin Cup.
It's always good to meet a fan, little dude.
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if you got that. My agent and I have been running from those blog all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a gnarly fall getting out of the Skidd McMarx Sports Shack. Hey, think you dudes can clear out the sand shark so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard if you do.
Whoa, a real McMarx 4000? Consider it done.
I love it when
Watch
people...
out for those sand sharks, bro.
No worries, I got this. I love it when people describe a certain object and make it sound so professional, because it's like, whoa, a real McMarx 4000? And then they add something like, I thought that... Thank you. I mean, I'm just handling a flamethrower, but this flamethrower is my baby. This flamethrower is actually the weapon that gets me more raritanium, so it is most definitely my baby. But I love it when people do that and they're like, I thought they stopped making those models and stuff.
That was awesome.
He likes us. Ugh, what is that tentacly thing? Oh my...
Looks like there are a few sand sharks up there on the plateau. Think you can take care of them?
At the same time, this makes for some amazing farming. Anyways. I would have loved to farm there, but you know, it's not worth it. Yeah, this baby has been upgraded quite a... Ooh, something's in there. Wait. Can I... Yes! Ooh, what is this? Ladies and gentlemen, we have our very first golden bolt.
And here Ratchet finds his very first gold bolt. Let's savor the moment. Okay, enough savoring. Moving on.
The funny thing is that really was enough moment savoring because I'm used to gold bolts, but it's just enough savoring to get that satisfaction. So we now have our first gold bolt out of 23, 25 in the game. I remember in the original game, golden bolts would let me have golden weapons, which were much stronger variants of the original weapons in the original game. Now, you might be wondering how exactly I leveled up. I switched between Veldin and Novalis, which took hours, actually. It didn't even take like half an hour. It actually took like several hours. And I also upgraded my the Veritanium modifications on this weapon by a lot. Which is why this proton drum is almost to level 3. Now, I think I figured out that the more the more a weapon is leveled up, the more Raritanium mods I can unlock for it.
Looks like there are a few sand sharks up there on the plateau. Think you can take care of them? You're doing great, dude. Just give more of that. Hey, are you dudes like hungry? Because when this is over, I could go for some food. You know, like a cheeseburger or some space pizza. I think Quark's Grub Grab still delivers this lane.
Space pizza. I wonder what that would even taste like. Okay, is my mic going? Let me just plug this in to make sure. Is it going? Okay, yeah, it's going. So yeah, I've been upgrading my weapons a lot. I'm actually kind of proud of it. Very proud, actually.
I believe there are a few sand sharks left.
There are a few more on the plateau, little furry dude.
Oof, okay, I hit that too late. I saw it the last second and I was like, oh wait, no, oh! What's this? Okay, that's very goopy quicksand. Very goopy and gross and slimy. And why is it purple?
Sand sharks on the plateau.
Oh well. Okay, plateau, got it. Where's that? Is that up here? Okay, I was gonna say, if I make it up there, I'm pretty sure that's not how I get up there. I know it might feel weird for me to cut from Metropolis, not Metropolis, what's it called? To, Aridia, but...
Look up there. That must be Skidd's ship.
Ow. Ow! You know what? Screw all of you.
You got them all. Nice work, little dudes.
Thank you.
That was pretty awesome. Thanks for your help. Here's your hoverboard.
Oh, and it's autographed. To Ratchet and Clank, the chillest dudes I've ever hung out with on a hostile alien planet. cool.
Will you be able to get home on your own?
I'll be okay, though I don't think I'll be able to compete in the Blackwater City hoverboard competition. Kind of a bummer, dude.
Well, you know,
Have either of you
every
little
hero
dudes
has
seen
its
my
retirement
agent?
plan.
I feel kind of bad leaving him out here. He doesn't do well with nature.
Don't worry, we'll find him.
Oh, dude, I hope this isn't a career-ending injury.
Well, if you're... Oh, look at that. Oh, are those his headphones? They probably are.
We should search the area for Skidd's agent. He may need our assistance.
That he might. Ooh, look at how close the proton drum is to upgrading. Now, I don't know if me returning to the planet will spawn the sand shark spawners again, but if it does, that'll make for some pretty promising weapon upgrading if they're all in groups again. But that's only if they're all in groups. Alright, let's refill on our ammo.
Why don't you full up?
Can't really upgrade anything here because I upgraded all there is to upgrade.
Isn't Raritanium awesome?
It is. I really like that there is an upgrade to get more Raritanium, to upgrade other weapons with Raritanium.
Attention, future consumer. While the Skidd McMarx Sports Shack appreciates your enthusiasm, you are now trespassing in a restricted area. Please vacate the construction site.
Yeah, how about no?
Enemy down.
I can't tell if he's trying to exterminate the guys or if he's trying to fix something. Either way, he's dead. I love that weapon. I wonder what it'll change to when it upgrades to level 5. Oh, did I mention that? Every weapon upgrades to level 5, and then it changes to something even stronger. It has more firepower and such, and it has a new feature, usually. I hit you with a ball and it leveled up. Julio. Ooh. New card. Please let it give me a bonus. Aw. Wait, I have 9 duplicates.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
Just completed a card.
Unlock the Omega variant of the Magma Buster for purchasing challenge mode. I'm not going to be showing that off because it's not really anything new. It just makes your weapon stronger. It doesn't upgrade, I don't think. And if it does, I'll have to look it up to be sure, but I'm fairly certain it doesn't.
That was impressive.
Thank you. God, I love it when you compliment me. It's so cute. It is just so adorable. Going up.
Attention, future consumer. We thank you for your interest in the Skidd McMarx Sports Shack. However, your refusal to leave has forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day.
My sensors are picking up a strange energy signature near the swing shot targets. I believe it may be a gadget from Drek Industries.
All right, let's have a look around.
Oh, I see you two dudes found my store. Hey, it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be awesome! We're gonna have hoverboards, a swing shot course, and even a 24-hour taco stand for this late-night munch attack.
I can relate to that last one. Wow. I'm gonna upgrade the Pyrocider to level 5 first before working on anything else.
Dispatching constructor
Not only
bots.
because it gives me more raritanium, but also, I feel the best with this one. Ow.
They keep coming.
I believe we are clear.
Attention, future consumer. The finest selection of hoverboards, grav bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is death.
Well, that's dark. What's this?
Hey, Skidd McMarx here, and as you know, I'm a naturally talented hoverboarder. You know what else is natural about me? Find out by visiting our herbal supplements department. You'll thank me later, man. No, seriously, you will.
I really like this game and how it has its little announcement things. That's always hilarious. What is over here? You make me very curious, game. That's what's over here. Yes! Proton drum. Unlock the Omega variant of the Protoclast. Ooh, a very okay lava cider. Cool beans. Duplicate. I should probably turn this down a little bit. There we go. Can you not?
You would have to channel hours of training to hang from this deadly lead.
Ow.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't know where he is. You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want. We can work this out, can't we?
I don't like how you're threatening my friend and my friend. I'm gonna have to threaten your enemies of my enemies of my friend. Of your enemies of... I'm threatening you, is my point. You heard right, I'm threatening you.
Help! These brutes are trying to kill me! Take out the law backs!
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you...
We're gonna send you to Lombax heaven.
I thought you were the enemy. I'm very surprised you survived that.
There's more of them! Hey, get them off my back and I'll make you famous. Now that's impressive. Have either of you
I love
thought about
that.
a
Get him off my
career
back and I'll
in
make you
professional
famous. Yeah, this will take care of you.
kid. I think that's all of them. Hey, you must be the two heroes who saved my clients, huh? Don't tell me, don't tell me. Socket and Clank.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right, beautiful. Sprocket and Plank. I like the sound of it. Real marketing potential. I could sell that. Listen, my client and I got separated in our somewhat hasty trek back to the ship. I'd go meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Beautiful, beautiful. You two have heart. I can sell that.
We are always happy to assist.
That we are.
We really appreciate you helping us out.
So where are you off to now?
Hospital, I guess. Gotta get this lead checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition on Planet Rilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker looking to show off your hoverboard skills? Then blast on over to Rilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I never miss the Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one. I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Rilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.
Wow, we just saved a celebrity. I want to check out that hoverboard competition.
We have our own
The
hoverboard.
rest of the sports shack.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for. Ooh. Ah, shortcut.
Hey,
So yeah, we'll eventually check out that
Explore
hoverboard
Skidd
race.
Sports shack again. There may be something useful there.
That's the plan, bucko. I like how Skid actually pointed out to his agent, dude, I'm starting to think you don't care about me or something. Like, that's so typical of agents who just care about the money and not the people they work with. It's kind of sad, really, but that's reality. Whee!
Ah, Skidd McMarx here. Hey, don't let old man Winter bum you out. Visit our snowboard department to pick up the latest snow shredding technology. It's never too cold to be cool. Hey, it's Skiddy. You know, anybody can buy stuff and look cool. But unless you sound cool, you won't be cool. So check out our class schedule and sign up for the Cool Seminar, where you'll learn to look, sound, and even smell cool. Like me. Ready to catch some waves? Daw, tubular. Dudes, have I got a deal for you. Just head over to the Pro Serve department and say the secret phrase, whoa, dude, and get 5% off your next purchase. Whoa, dude.
This is the most entertaining store I've ever been through. I remember this decently from the original Ratchet and Clank. I almost screwed it up. Oh, wait. This is where I get the trespasser, isn't it? I don't remember this. How is this filled with water? Oh, whatever.
Ratchet and Clank found a portable hydro displacer, designed by Dr. Nefarious. This ingenious device promised to move water from one place to the other.
Well, that's still a good weapon, or gadget. Ooh, give me that. Haha. That's even better than a trespasser.
Could now fill an entire swimming pool. Originally designed to unclog Valkyrie's toilets, Ratchet would find the hydro displacer invaluable in navigating the sewers of the galaxy.
We should head back to the ship.
Yeah, and finish upgrading these weapons. So now I can freely explore Aridia. I think I'm actually going to end this episode here, and next time we're going to go to Planet Kerwan. So thank you for wait. Agents Camp. Oh. Oh, okay. I just remembered. Back on Planet. Oh, back on Planet Veldin. There is actually a magnet ramp that I didn't show off that leads up to a gold bolt.
Disaster struck. For Ratchet did not have the key component required to help him traverse the ionized surface. Magna boots.
I need those. But anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time when I get back to Planet Kerwan to help out the galactic. Level up! Pseudo-atom isotopes emit a cloud of subatomic energy that arcs towards the nearest enemy. Ooh, I have got to see how this works. Oh, I see. So it has a little cloud that, like, targets a certain enemy. Neato! So now both these weapons are at level 5. So now I can focus on getting more, you know, rare